Going on, people? Hope y'all had a good weekend. Another unpacking. What we doing? We're doing the month of September Menlo package. Let's go. Alright, so look, just want to congratulate the Lakers on winning big game 2 against the Denver Nuggets. Man, it's just looking crazy right now. But, you know, I'm tired, man, Sunday. But I'm not even going to try this stuff on. I don't even think. I think I'm just going to open this bad boy up. We got the original package. Or not the original, but they're going back to something we could recognize, you know. They go off and on. But anyway, yeah, man, the Lakers pulled out one that they had to get saved by. But Mamba mentality, Kobe was really with us tonight, you know what I mean? So game 2 could have went 1-1, but we end up being up 2-0. So AD with the game winning shot, 105, 103. What can you say about that? Man, I'm looking in the camera, these sleeves are killing me. Anyway, man, I was gonna have to take it how you get it, but yeah. So we're here to open up the package. Shout out Lakers. Raiders play tomorrow. Hopefully, you know we're gonna go up against a high-powered Saints. Hopefully, we do pretty decent with that. See how we turn out for a young team. So we got the Menlo package here. It's kind of slim there, so. Probably some, I forget what's going to be in this month's package, so let's just open it for the first time. So, did I say I forgot? No, I didn't forget. I'm looking at it, I'm like, I know this is coming. But anyway, let's go. So I kind of took out that shirt. So I just changed I saw the preview for the seasonal, and I changed my my style package my style profile to fit what I wanted. And I don't think this is it. However, I did like this one too. So we got like a kind of a denim. Just long sleeve, because the fall is coming in. Fall season coming in. The fall is coming in. Alright, but yeah, just a little plain long sleeve there. 5'4" brand. The signature hook back there. It's kind of has like a little genie look to it, but it's definitely a t-shirt. So I'm gonna try that off the size, make sure it fits. You know, we should be good to go with this one. Put that to the side. Let's see what we got. What we got in here for this month. All right, pair of pants. See what kind of all these. So 5'4" Los Angeles, like you can see. Make sure I got that 38 big size waist, right? Straight leg for me. That'll work out because it's not the skinny jeans, but it's not super baggy. But these are looking kind of big, or am I just tripping? Might be tripping, but put them on might be a different story. They're kind of long, but nothing. It's a normal pair of black denim jeans, pockets just normal. As long as they fit, this will work out. if I got anything else in there. Alright, so again, fall season coming in. Trying to trend that way. So again, you got that long sleeve shirt. I'm kind of digging like that, you know. And the pants, I have a few pair of black jeans, kind of similar. So I'm wondering if they got any other different style, but we'll see how these fit. You can't, you never have too many pair of good jeans that are durable and fit and work out, but we'll see. All right, let's see. 549. You know what? You guys, starting to, like, the packages are starting to add up over the months, and over the months you start to have a little diversity in your closet. But like monthly, I don't know. This one, like, it's kind of skimpy. You got a shirt, you got a pair of jeans, but maybe throw something else in there, you know, t-shirt, what have you. But then, you know, I might be getting kind of greedy, man. You guys do come with the big packages here and there, so every few months, every couple of months. But yeah, that's we're in September. That's September's package. Looking crazy here. I'm tired. I would try it on and show you, but not this time. And you know, just hope you guys are taking care of each other out there. Go Lakers, go Raiders.